Alright guys, welcome to SIP-COMSYS once again. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel, okay, so that you can ginger me to bring more videos, share the videos as well. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to install GNS3, right? I believe those in the CCNA, CCNP, CCIE who wants to pursue that career, that particular environment, okay, our brothers and sisters who have limited resources, okay, so you can choose to install GNS3. That is if you want to move advance from packet tracer to GNS3, you can do that. But if you want higher advanced from, that is when you go towards PNet, okay. The video will be in two sessions. The other session I'll show you how to download the image and also upload it in the GNS3. Let's get down with it. Okay, now you need your browser, so I'll have to launch my browser and then let me check out this. Let me go to my Google. Alright, so here I'm going to type GNS. Okay, so you can see I have download, GNS download. Okay, so you go to their site, GNS software. Alright, so you can see I have actually downloaded this before, so you can see here I have an account with them, right? You actually need to create an account with them before you can actually download. So let me log out for you to see that. So if you should go to GNS3.com and you click on download, and then you can see which of the flavors that you want to select, because if you can see here I've actually signed out, so maybe I would like to download for Windows because I'm using Windows. If you're a Mac fan, you're going for the Mac, and the Linux fans too, you're going for the Linux. So I will click on download on the Windows side. So you can see hi there, an account is required towards download GNS3 software. So you go towards create. So you fill in this information, that is your first name, your last name, email address, school, organization, password, and you confirm your password, then your state, that's your country, and then your zip code, and then the purpose why you want to download GNS3, and then you create the account. But I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. So here I'll feed in my email address, SIP-COMSYS, and then my password, and then I'll just log in. Okay, since I'm in now, I'll click on what's free download, because it's free, you don't need to pay anything. So here you going for, I'm using Windows, so I'll click on the Windows side. Okay, so as you can see, my download has just begun. So you can see GNS 2.234. okay, I already download that, so I don't need to download. So if you want to download, you just click on what save, then your download will start for you. So this I'm not going to download, so I'll cancel, and then cancel this, and then I'm going to minimize, and then I'm going to look for my GNS and then install, right? So File Explorer, download, and then I'm going to look for my GNS. Okay, so you can see this is my GNS3, so double click, so you allow, okay, so I can close this. So now welcome. So I'm going for next, 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 and then let's look at some of the tools, right? So click down tools, so you can see some of the tools that will be installed for you. Now I have some of them installed because some of them have an upgrade. Now I won't check this because I don't want to any solar putty, because I already have the original putty in there, right? So apart from that, I'm good to go with this installation. So I'll go for next. This is where your installation file is going to be, right? Next, and then you wait for this installation to finish. Okay, so you can see here a newer version of WinPickup, okay, internal version. That's the version is already installed on this machine, so I just go for OK. All right, so you can see another one. Do I like to replace this? No, I will not, because my the one I installed is 1.60, which already exists. Then we have the older one that's 0.99, so I'm going for no. So good to go here. So okay, so I'm going for next. Now I'm not going to use SolarWinds standard. Okay, I'm going for no, and then next, and then when I click finish, it's going to start my GNS3 automatically. So finish. So it's going to lodge in towards the website environment, right? So you can see this is my GNS3. All right, so obviously I have downloaded this before and install, so that is why I'm having it this way, right? So you can see here you need to create a project to actually start creating your topology. So I'll just maintain the default name and then going for OK, right? So if you should click here, now you can see I have actually created some devices before, right? You can see they are in there, okay? And then let's go to edit, preference. Now on the general, you can see here the interface style. I like the dark environment, that's why I went in for this. So normally by default you should have classic and then apply. So the interface should be like this, right? But I like my interface dark, so I'm going for charcoal and then apply. Now the next thing is let's go to topology view. Nope. Console application. Good. Here, right? Now you can see here I'm using secure CRT. That's what I use. But if you don't have secure CRT, you should install putty. So you go to edit, and then when you come here, you can select whichever console software that you are using, right? So if it's putty, you're going for putty, and then you use that respectively. So me, I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to continue with this. So I'm just going for cancel, because yes, so I'm not going to save anything. So this is how to install GNS3. Okay, now let me walk you through this as well. So this is to show the interface, this is to connect to the console interface. This is what starts, okay, pause, stop, and what reload means you will restart all the devices. If you want to name and then create sessions, you can do that. And then this is to open a project that you've already saved, and then this is to create a new project, okay, blank one, right? So typically this is how to install GNS3. So in the next video I'll show you how to download the image, and then you can load it as this, and then you can as well customize it as I have done here, right? So stay tuned. Thank you for watching my video. Watch out for the part 2 of this. Thank you.